Hey guys, welcome to yet another quick AI ML tutorial. And in this AI short tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can start a temporary or an incognito chat in the Qwen AI. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is visit the chat.qwen.ai, which is the official Qwen studios from where you can chat with the Qwen models. Now, once you are inside this particular web page, you can simply start a new chat by clicking onto this plus icon. And once you are here, if you wish to start a temporary chat or an incognito chat, so that your chat history does not persist and neither the Qwen model takes any particular memory from the same or any references to the same. So basically, it is a discard, use and discard kind of chat. So if you wish to enable that, simply click onto this particular icon right here at the top right corner. Many people miss this and they don't know how to do it. So yes, this is just the icon for temporary chat. Simply click onto this and you can see that you are inside the temporary chat. After typing in anything, you can simply do all of your work within this particular chat, and once everything is done, you have got your answers, or if all of the work is done, you can simply click onto this cross button in order to delete that, and you can see that the chat has not been referenced anywhere in the history or the memory. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice